Land Cruiser FJ is now here to bring the Land Cruiser experience to ever more people. The trust and pure functionality that Land Cruiser is loved for. A minimal footprint with a new dimension in driving performance and maneuverability. Capability on a par with the Land Cruiser 70 with impressive wheel articulation. Designed for functionality and customizability. And all this, but now more accessible to a new group of people. And the family doesn't end there. The all-electric Landhopper forms a seamless extension of the car, taking you further than the car's capability alone would allow. Ladies and gentlemen, with the all-new Land Cruiser FJ, we look forward to bringing the adventure of the Land Cruiser lifestyle to a new generation of customers. Thank you very much indeed.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.